and enabling them to make quick, informed decisions. No more waiting for end-of-month reports. Decision-making became faster, more agile, and more responsive to real-time business needs. The third powerful feature was predictive modeling. By analyzing patterns and trends in their data, the AI tools could predict future outcomes with a high degree of accuracy. This allowed teams to anticipate problems before they occurred and plan accordingly. It was like having a crystal ball that could foresee business challenges and opportunities. The results? They were nothing short of transformative. Productivity skyrocketed as time was spent more efficiently. Communication became more streamlined, with AI tools facilitating better collaboration among team members. But perhaps most importantly, the morale and job satisfaction of employees improved significantly. They were no longer burdened by tedious tasks and felt empowered by the actionable insights provided by the AI tools. This transformation at Innovate Inc. serves as a testament to the power and potential of AI in revolutionizing the way teams work together. The case of Innovate Inc. illustrates just the tip of the iceberg when it comes to AI and collaboration. As we step into the future, the possibilities appear limitless. Imagine AI tools that not only streamline tasks, but also intuitively understand the dynamics of a team. They could predict potential conflicts, optimize communication styles, and even suggest innovative solutions based on past successes and failures. But with these advancements come challenges and ethical considerations. As AI becomes more integrated into our work, questions of data privacy, job displacement, and even the potential over-reliance on technology will inevitably arise. Moreover, as AI begins to understand and mimic human behavior, it's crucial that we ensure these systems promote inclusivity and do not reinforce harmful biases. As we move forward into this exciting era of AI-driven collaboration, it's crucial to consider both the immense potential and the significant challenges that come with it.